Microscopic world. Discovered with Goko Japan.
Greetings from Goko Japan. Let's witness real-time blood flow effortlessly and non-invasively with latest Goko's capillaroscope. Plus, discover groundbreaking research findings made possible by our technology. Let's get started. Goko Imaging Devices was founded by Tadashi Goto, my grandfather, 71 years ago. While you may not realize it, you've likely used our products. We designed and manufactured compact film cameras for nearly all Japanese camera brands. Nikkei Business Magazine, a leading business magazine in Japan, recognized us as the world's top producer of compact cameras during the 90s, with an annual production of 4.2 million units. For more information, visit our website. Goko's microscopes are designed for professionals and distinguished by our lightweight design, affordable pricing, and most importantly, exceptional image clarity. Today, among our range of microscopes, we are highlighting and introducing our capillaroscopes. Now, let's explore the 3 available capillaroscope models, each catering to specific needs. For medical research purposes, we recommend the Goko B-Scan ZA, which features a cap on the tip that can be sterilized under high pressure in autoclave. You can view real-time capillary images on your computer and, yes, even on your iPad. Capillaroscope Goko B-Scan series offers several advantages. Advantage number 1, ultra-high magnification. The Goko B-Scan ZA visualizes skin capillaries with up to 720 times magnification. It also allows easy switching between 720 and 200 times magnification without changing lenses, providing flexibility for both detailed and broader observations. Advantage number 2, remarkable clarity. Goko B-Scan series has remarkable clarity with deep depth of field. That's why you can see even the most shallow capillaries without missing a thing. Advantage number 3, non-invasive and minimum training. Goko B-Scan series enables non-invasive, easy visual observation of blood flow, which can be done by anyone with immediate results. Advantage number 4, unique non-reflex technique. Goko's unique non-reflex technique ensures optically clear images. In this presentation, where the image is highly reflective, you won't be able to observe the capillaries correctly. Using Goko's optical technology, you can capture images without any reflections. Advantage number 5, quantification software. We offer software for quantification, which is essential when writing papers. On our YouTube channel, we feature a variety of example images. Please take a look and explore. Then, let me introduce how doctors and researchers are utilizing Goko's capillaroscopes to achieve remarkable results. Today, we will showcase a few key areas where our capillaroscopes truly shine: microsurgery, plastic surgery, rheumatology, dermatology, and AI and software technologies for image analysis. We've created individual videos for each medical research fields. Please find the links in the description below and click to watch them.